Good afternoon, everybody. We are back Friday afternoon. The weekend is about to start. We've got Moji first in the chat today. First, F-U-R-S-T. What's going on, Moji? Lucky Stars, PS5, Moji, Pika Power, Moji, JB, Pika, PS5, Moji, Pika, JB, Pika, Dark Matter, JB, Pika, JB, Pika, Kalani, JB, Shredder, JB, Shredder, Moji, Pika, Kalani, PS5, John J, Moji, Dark Matter, Pika Power, PS5, and Dark Matter. What's going on, everybody? Bro, these lives are therapeutic for me. Well, that is nice, Dark Matter. Really appreciate that positive feedback there. Let's go on and see what the market's got going on right now. We've got AMC sitting at 1% right now, 15.21. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 11.03, up 3.96% right now. GameStop sitting at 140.18. QQQ sitting at 290.75. Bouncing back and forth between this area right in here today. We knew it would probably end up channeling into the end of the day there. We've got the NASDAQ basically doing the exact same thing, hitting a red line as the QQQ is. GameStop sitting at 140.30. BR Therapeutics 70 cents per share. We've got Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin all in the green right now. Sundial sitting at 31.92. Hasn't done anything all day today. Still down 3% on the day. Mall and Auto still channeling between that $1.08 there. Barcoding all afternoon long. We've got CEI sitting at 37 cents, currently up 3% on the day. SPY sitting at 1.61%. BBIG, $1.06 at the moment. Been barcoding all day as well. Highcraft Mining, $1.01, same deal. Netflix, 188.70 at the moment. Redbox sitting at 4.36. Clovis, $2.15, right at that entry that we exited at. Boxed sitting at $1.78. Revlon, $5.77, down 0.62%. Luna Classic sitting at 10.7 at the moment, bouncing back off that 10,000 point per coin support level. And let's watch Bitcoin back above 21,000. Let's watch Bitcoin tick into the afternoon here as the overall stock market is getting ready to close. I'm calling 1522 close, and Pringleton is calling 1524. Currently sitting at 1525. Shoot, man, 1522, 1524. I know it's going to close above that, man. We're going up to 1529 for the close. 1529 for the close here is what I'm calling. I'm going to be in blue. We've got Pringleton is going to be, who's calling 1524? Pringleton is going to be purple. We're going to get Pringleton on the purple there, and JB is going to end up being in orange. JB is going to be in the orange right now. We're going to see where this bad boy ends. I'm blue, Pringleton is purple, and JB is orange. We're going to see where it ends up there just in a couple of minutes. Well, good thing we don't have any money on it. What's up, people? AMC Travel, what's going on? AMC, what is this? Infinity Specific Notion. Yes, man. Hey, Dark Matter 521 and Trapper. Pika Power. Andy, what's going on, man? Good afternoon to you, AMC Trapper. Glad to have you in here. What's up, y'all? Dark Matter, what's up, Pika? Shajad Hirani, you look normal, but are always happy. Keep it up. Thank you very much, Shajad. Appreciate you, man. Smash the like on the way. Do it, guys. Do it, because I saw 11 of you guys in here and only 2 likes. So, what do we have right now? 7 likes. I'm going to give you guys the benefit of the doubt, but I'm telling you what, I am going to hit you with an ad if you don't get 50 likes before we reach, I don't know, let's say like 415 or something. I'll give you guys a while to hit 50 likes. Aurelius, good afternoon to you. Kalani saying 1520. Kalani's calling a little bit of a pullback there. Looking forward to winning. Yeah, right. Good luck, JB. It's going 1529 for sure, man. Still holding my breath. Dang, Shred, you've been holding your breath for a while, man. This Bitcoin market, God help us, now 21,000, then 19,000, 20,000, then up, then down, then left, then right. I'm done. Your amazing thoughts, please. Yeah, dude, still, you can feel comfortable knowing my thoughts on Bitcoin are in between these areas at the moment. I think that this is a major level of resistance, the upward end of this channel, and this is a major level of support right now. I do believe that Bitcoin is going to continue channeling in this area. So even if it comes up to like 21,600, maybe even ticking into 22,000, okay, before pulling back a little bit, I believe that that's the channel it's trading in right now. A breakout to the upside above 21,006 or above 22,000 is going to be nice, but I do believe it's going to be met with resistance around this area in here, either 22.6, which is the upper end of these wicks, or like 24,000 up here, which you kind of have to go a little ways back to see where that channel comes from, but it comes from this area in here. If you were not on a weekly chart, you can see for about a 1 week period at the end of 2020, Bitcoin was channeling there. So I do believe we are going to see some continuation of this channel here, and even I expect to curl back over in this area right here when it reaches that 21.6, 22,000 level, and then a retest of that 19 and so on. So this is the closest green and the closest red are the tight end of the channel, and then the further red and further green are a more, I guess, loose channel that we could end up trading in. But I still believe the short-term sentiment is bearish on the overall crypto market, and therefore we could, after this little bounce we're seeing right now, see it turn back over and a retest of that 19. But, hey, JB, I don't know if any of us are going to be correct right now. AMC sitting up with like 6 green candles, 15.35 at the moment. So, hey, even if all of us end up being losers, I think we're all going to end up being a winner on AMC, moving higher into the close right there. Hi, bye. Pudgy, hello, goodbye, my friend. Do it, I dare you. Do it? Me? Somebody else? Who? Me? You? I don't know. Shredder has those diamond... Shredder does have those diamond lungs, dude. He's been holding his breath this long. Amazing. Good afternoon to you, Julius. Glad to have you in here, man. Stack him and slap him. Let's do it, Shiba Daddy. Boom, we got the diamond-handed apes, Chris. Glad to make it for the afternoon live. Feeling pretty good for some reason. Haven't even made my Michigan stop yet. Hope the apes are having some good vibes. Heck yeah, Chris. It's always better when you're in here, too. Driving to Michigan right now? This dude's driving to Michigan from Indiana. You got a little vacation going on there, Chris? Hopefully it works out well. Are you going to, like, Lake Michigan, or where are you going to hang out for a little while there? Or are you doing something else in Michigan, man? I don't know what you got going on. But either way, I hope it works out. Click. We will news on by our stupid analyst calling $6. Can't even reach one. Oh, man. Dude, that's like the analyst calling a penny on AMC. If you're looking at Bure Therapeutics here and a $6 price target, hey, man, let's just say this. It is possible, if we have a run very similar to what we had, when was this? The end of 2021, when everything was peaking. Crypto was peaking, stocks were peaking, everything was looking good. And yeah, $6 would be acceptable in that case, because we had some massive runs during that time frame, and then a very quick sell-off, and it has been selling off ever since, along with the rest of the stock market. And, you know, no joke, it has been devastating, right? So we got a lot of ground to cover when it comes to that. And you are right, man. We got to get back to $1 before we can get up to $6. So it's going to be interesting to see what goes on there. But man, I mean, it's not an impossibility if we get back to the bull market rallies that we were experiencing in 2021. It is a definite possibility. But yes, we do have to get through. We do have to get through $1 first, man. Let's see. Coming back down here, Clearbro, do you think we're going to around 10K on Bitcoin because of the Mt. Gox repair? So let me say this, AMC Trapper. I don't think that Mt. Gox would take it all the way down to 10,000. If they raise interest rates to a percent and Mt. Gox comes out and then we lose another major cryptocurrency exchange, I do believe these things all combined can put it down to 10,000. But just Mt. Gox, you know, looking at that, let's say worst case scenario, every single person that receives a Bitcoin or part of a Bitcoin or whatever from the Mt. Gox settlement, that's 137,000 Bitcoin, roughly $3 billion at the current prices. Now, if we look at, come on, dude. Bitcoin should be the first thing that pops up, not BitDAO. If we look at average volume for Bitcoin, okay? Bitcoin's doing very well today. And the average volume, at least on the 24-hour period here, is $25 billion being traded over the last 24 hours. Now, that's down 20% from where it was. That's down about $5 billion from where it was yesterday. So you're looking at 25, maybe 20 to 30 billion dollars a day being traded in Bitcoin. Increasing this by 3 billion, and even if they're all sell orders, is not necessarily going to have, in my opinion, right, a 50% reduction in the overall price. I do believe, 10% of the overall volume, if it hits the market all at the same time, being sell orders, is going to drop the price of Bitcoin. But I don't think I don't think an additional 10% of volume would reduce the price by 50%. I think that would be a little too much to see that happen there. So I don't think Mt. Gox is necessarily going to destroy the price, and I also don't think that everybody's going to sell at the exact same time. I don't think that all of those Bitcoin are going to be trading hands and be put up for sale at the exact same time. Some people won't even know the date that they receive their Bitcoin. Some people are never even going to know they have their Bitcoin back. Some people are going to say, you know what, I'm going to wait till it goes back up to 60,000 and then I'm going to sell it. Some people will immediately sell it the moment that it hits their account, because you got to think, if they had Bitcoin 8 years ago, Bitcoin 8 years ago was nowhere near the price that it is now. Let's see, 8 years ago, 2014, 2015, you were looking Bitcoin being somewhere in the, I don't know the exact date that Mt. Gox went down. Somewhere in the, let's say, 500, maybe 200, but $500 to $1,000 range. I'd probably give it just 500. Probably in that $500 range. So even if they receive 500, 1/20th, 1/40th, even if they receive 1/40th of the Bitcoin that they had, which I know it's got to be better than that, because Mt. Gox lost 850,000 Bitcoin, but they're giving back 130,000 Bitcoin. So really 1/10 is what they're looking at. And so based on those prices, if Bitcoin was trading at 1/40th of where it's currently at when they bought it, and they're receiving 1/10 back, they still 4x'd their money. So if they had $1,000 invested, they should be getting $4,000 worth of Bitcoin back right now, because Bitcoin's 40 times the price and they're receiving 1/10 of what they had. They're still in positive territory from what they invested. If they would have gotten everything back that they invested, they would have 40x'd their money, clearly. So it would have been much better for them. But I still believe a lot of people are going to flood the market when it happens. I just don't think everybody will. That's why Pika is the queen of the chat. Queen Pika. Heck yeah. Yo, Samanino, find the 0. Oh, man, what the heck? You got? Oh, right there. I actually did find it. It's on the second line up, basically dead center. Second line up, basically dead center, Samanino. That was easy. Give me a hard one. Come on, man. And AMC, my goodness, closing at 1538. Looks like we were all losers on that one, JB, Pringleton, and Claybro. But AMC closed at 1538. Very nice close there. And it looks like we're all losers, but we are all winners. But I think Shib will go crazy when Shibarium comes out. Michael, I do think that there will be volatility when Shibarium comes out, yes. And I do think it's going to be an indication to the upside, and it's going to be nice. But I don't think that it's going to be very long-term or long-lived. And I think it's going to come back down afterwards. I think the excitement's most likely going to drive the price up. And I don't know if it's going to be a day. I don't know if it's going to be a week. I don't know if it's going to be an hour. But after people realize that a lot less people are adopting Shibarium and using their Shiba Inu coin on it than the 1,200,000 holders that there are, they're probably going to get pretty discouraged and sell off, or Shiba Inu coin will fall back down in price. But as time moves on and more people adopt Shibarium, I believe it's going to be a positive catalyst short term, and it's going to come back down, a little pump and a little dump. And then longer term, it should be a positive catalyst. 20 minutes till win. I have no idea, Michael. Found it, Simon. I got it after Pika agreed to go dance with me. Heck yeah. Simon wasn't first today. Ooh, first is last. Found the 0. It's that 0 there. Yes, it is, Pringleton. In your mind, I was not first. Ooh. Simoninho, Pika nixed you from the dance party. Oh, man, you got to make it to the dance party, man. Sounded like a tea party up in here. Yes, it is. So Clay sees the market. Yeah. JB, I did just... Whoa! Moaz Kindle the downside today. My gosh. No! Oh, going back to the... Oh, both up and down today, man. Wild candle we got going on here. Very interesting right now. Where's the wick that went to the upside? I know I did not just make that up. There it is. Now it's back. What is that on? Look at 68 shares. Look at this, guys. It was only 68 shares. Okay, now 117 shares that caused that wild swing. Yeah, right, ladies and gentlemen. 1483 up to 1564 on 317 shares now. I don't know what they expect us to believe about that, but that is some absolute wild action there. Luke up to 16%. What the heck really is it, Burns? Or when to lose 1-0, at least forget $1. Yeah, PS5, man. Lunk doing very well today. It is up 16% to 10,700 points per coin right now. And I don't know if it's because of Burns, man. I think it's because the crypto market's doing pretty well today. And therefore, Terra Luna Classic is doing very well as well. But it's just outpacing the rest of the crypto market, man. So that's what I would attribute it to, is the fact that it's outpacing the rest of the gains in the crypto market. J-Bones, 14-month member chat. Stop the lick and stick. Ha. 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 J-Bones. Maybe, man. Maybe I'll stop it for today. If there's no more bananas, we'll stop the lick and stick for today. I can't make any promises on the long term, but J-Bones, man, thank you very much for the member chat. It's not a Moaz candle. It's a no-ass. It was a no-ass. It turned into a Moaz and back down into a no-ass again. Watch your vids all the time. You're always happy and in great spirits, regardless of the markets, up and down. You're more kick butt. Enjoy. Appreciate you, Michael. Look, man, it does take its toll on me. I'm not gonna lie to you. It does take its toll on me. But yes, you gotta stay strong, dude. 14 months. J-Bones is killing it. I actually don't know if anybody. Listen, Stephanie Bro, if she kept hers, may have a longer one than J-Bones. If Blackjack Dealer. I think I have not seen him in like a year. If he kept his, then he may have a slightly longer one than J-Bones. But, dude, J-Bones at 14 months, I believe, is the longest current active bro or member of the channel. I could be wrong, but I do believe that J-Bones is killing it on that. Rocket, thank you for the super chat. Rocket says, pump and dump is what Clay did to me. Oh no, it took me out to a nice steak dinner, made me feel pretty, and then never called again. Rocket, I would never do that, man. We can pump and dump the stocks all day long, but I'm never pumping and dumping Rocket. No, pump, yes, dump, never. Congrats, J-Bones. Heck yeah, Rocket is crazy, isn't he? But Rocket, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate it. Don't listen to him, guys. Don't listen to him. It's all pump and no dump. You should know better. Chris, thank you. Mine is longer. Don't trip. I knew when I said that somebody was... I thought it myself, so I know somebody else was going to think it. Yes. Simoninho. I will not be tripping. Don't worry on that one. Chris, thank you for the super chat. Chris says, been wanting to comment about everyone nervous about everything dropping in the future. Stop focusing on the losing battle. Just focusing on getting the last laugh. Diamond hands, baby. That's where the focus has to be, man. That's where the focus has to be. And I'm going to tell you right now, as encouraging you guys think that, as encouraging as you guys think I am to you, you are that much more to me. So thank you very much, Chris, for the encouragement there. Seriously, man, you guys are incredible. Really appreciate that, Chris. You're awesome, dude. And you are right, man. We will have the last laugh. We just have to stick around. 13-month cult member. 14-month cult member, Shiba Daddy. You got to get it right, dude. 14-month. Please get caught after... No, not after 15. Come on now. Bananas and cats. Bananas and cats. Bananas and cats. Shredder, what else is better than that? Remember, Shib, man. That's what we got. Remember, Shib, too. AMC Trapper, my man. Shiba Daddy. I think I get to live in Clay's basement with Nickelback. Could you imagine living in my basement along with Nickelback? I think that would be sweet, man. If you got to spend some time in the basement with Nickelback, that would be incredible, Pringleton. That would be incredible. 13-month call member, 14-month member chat, 15 months, the cops get called. Oh, Clipper, what's your plan on 100,000 subs once you get that YouTube idol hanging by your side? Much love and respect, bro. Oh, gosh. I don't know, man. What should the plan be? What should the plan be, dude? Do we do, like, a mega merch giveaway? Do we just, like, pat ourselves on the back? Do we finally hang the wall? What should the plan be? Because I'm going to tell you right now, as slow as the crypto market is, it's going to be impossible to get there if you guys don't tell your friends and family to subscribe to the channel. At this point in the game, man, we either need the crypto market to rebound, the stock market to rebound, or we need to take matters into our own hands and tell everybody we know to start subscribing to the channel. I think I might do just a mass Clayro YouTube sticker. If you guys want like a 10-pack of stickers just to go post everywhere so people see the Clayro YouTube logo, I think that might be what we need to do to get to 100,000. So that's something I'm kicking around too. Just taking all of this red vinyl I got, taking that Cricut and printing stickers for days and loading them up, packs of 10 in like some envelopes and just getting some stamps on them and ready to write the address. You guys want them, you got them. Go post them everywhere you know. Would you do it? Would you do it? Would you guys post those places? Not anywhere illegal, like don't vandalize, but shoot, man, if you got like a telephone pole with some stickers on it already, boom, post it there. A little street sign, some stickers, boom, post it there. You got a wall at like a grunge restaurant where they write all over the walls, boom, post it there. Let the world know that Claybro exists. AMC Trapper, man, thank you very much for the meow, meow, meow. Gosh, and that whole time I'm thinking about that girl that was doing it on Twitter yesterday that you guys tagged me in. Oh my gosh. No, man, my meows don't have emotions. They're just all the same meows. I've not spent enough time around cats to know that cats have different meanings. AMC Driver's giving me another one. Like, you probably just had the best timing of all time, bro. That super chat, then Led Zeppelin, immigrant song started, playing on the radio. Dang it, man. That sounds like the best timing ever, Chris. That would be that's epic, dude. That's epic. You're the one that sent it, though. So who's the one that timed it? You did, man. You did. Just got home, stuck in, in incarceration, tour concert traffic. It's right down the road. Every stoned kid is on Route 13 right now. My gosh. Come on, stoned kids. Don't be driving. Yeah, I'll be here Monday, okay, because Clay gonna throw flames out his booty. He is gonna eat the spiciest gummy bear in the world. Is it better if I just, like, swallow it, like, put it in and swallow it, or then will my stomach blow up? I don't even know. AMC Trapper, thank you for the... Those are my different meows, man. I was trying to find the different emotion in those meows there, but Trapper, man. Really appreciate that. If you want the original meow, I will give you the original meow. But that one was a little weird, man. That was my different meow, based on the woman that was doing it on Twitter the other day. Right on the semi-trailers that come in and pick up loads, post stickers right on the back. Michael, listen, if you guys would do it and like not get in trouble, I don't want anybody vandalizing anything, posting stickers, but I do think that is a decent way to get the name out there, right? Because these stickers, you just cut them up and then you can post them literally anywhere you want, and stamps are what, 50 cents? So I think it would be a good way to do it if you guys actually wanted to do it. Maybe I'll spend some time doing that. I will. In Central London, they are passing 2 to 3 mil a day. Ali, you talking stickers? What are you talking? Some Claybro gum to stick on the wall at the... Oh, man. I don't know about no Claybro gum. I don't have any of that yet. I'm a metal vocalist. When I tour, I'll post them right on their background. Michael, dude, if you're not lying, man, I will I could get you some stickers, man. I can make that happen because I got a lot of vinyl just sitting around. Start watching your show. Very funny, but I'm glad you're not my son. Crypto Beehive. Why? Why? It's like one of the meanest things somebody's ever said to me. Thank you very much, I think, Crypto Beehive. Better to chew it if swallowed. It might melt your insides. All right, 17, I'm going to have to chew it then. I do not want to melt my insides or blow up my stomach lining. WF sounded like a transition. Yeah, I think that might have been what it was, Kalani. I think that might have been what it was. My different meows are not good. Stickers. Say, let's get it, Ali, then. That cat sounded like it hit some hard times. That cat did hit some hard times, man. That cat got ran over. It lost 8 of its 9 lives in one day. Club members, everyone on live with you in the chat. This would be crazy. Many continents, stocks, and crypto talk. Let's go. Dude, there are a lot of continents in this chat right now. There's a lot of people that do not live in the United States. We got Europe in here. We've got the UK in here. We've got, often we have India in here. We've got New Zealand in here. Sometimes we've got Australia in here. Canada is in here. There's a lot of different countries in here. Pika Power! Happy Catty Meow. I got you. Pika, thank you for bringing it back. Meow. 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 Thank you very much, Pika. Oh my gosh. The meows are the best, man. The meows are the best. The meows and the pika. La pika. La pika. Those are the best ones, guys. If you on Twitter, check out the Outdoor Smiles page. He has a cat video we tag Claybrow in. It is really funny, okay? It is really funny. And I hope you guys were laughing at it with me and not at me. Because if you're laughing at like, I don't know. I at least my backstory has a super chat involved with it. I don't know the backstory in that video there. It seems like that girl likes to communicate with her cats or something. But, no, that video is really funny, dude. And it was even funnier that you guys were having so much fun with it. So, yes, I agree. AMC, guys, sitting down 0.36% right now. GameStop, bottom right, sitting up slightly at the end of the day. Shiba Inu coin, 1,100 points per coin. And could be coming back down to that 1,000 point per coin range. My goodness, get it right. Let's watch in the bottom left. Pure Biotherapeutics is not ticking, so let's watch. What is going on? Let's watch Bitcoin down on the bottom left here, so we can see something ticking into the afternoon. There we go. I knew something must have been up. Band name, Michael. What is it, sir? 261 Camelot Estates, Portage, India. Michael, you can just DM me that later, man. Let me cut the stickers. And then you can DM me that. I say we do it, man. I say we have a sticker time summer, and we get some stickers out there, and then everybody can have some fun. Post them. You guys go on vacation, post them there. Post them around your hometown. Post them wherever you want, and then we can get the channel to grow that way. But yeah, dude, don't DM your address in the live stream right here. Actually, somebody delete that. I don't want the guy's address to show up in the chat or anything. Somebody delete that, and then Michael, if you want to DM me that on Twitter or something, or send it to me in an email, do that. But if somebody wants to go back up there and delete that, I don't want anybody's personal information to be on live stream or anything like that. So if anybody can delete that one. Wear Cleaver T. I have to get more t-shirts though, man. I have to get more t-shirts. I'm out of t-shirts except for the ones that I've already got in my car. Officially, I have 2 150-pound American Bulldogs, and they're rampaging through my house looking for a cat. Dude, if that's the case, man, we know I've got a good meow, if that's the case. I'm going to have a little mission for the bucket list that when we are all old, rich, with nothing else to achieve, I want to make the cannabis ape once before we both are in the dirt. Oh, you want to make me a cannabis ape? Great. That's your bucket list, man? That's your bucket list? Oh, boy. Well, let me just say good luck on that one, man. We'll see what happens or not. But nonetheless, I could be an ape. I could be like a best ape of a cannabis ape. Like, that's fine with me, right? I don't know if I'll partake or not, but hey, man, we can all be best friend apes, that's for sure. Who hasn't hit the like button yet? Say I. Well, we're at 419. I'm going to tell you this. We don't have 50 likes with 80 viewers. You guys are getting an ad. I'm looking right now because I said 415, and you're already 4 minutes over. So 37 likes. Gosh, you guys are disappointing, man. Boom. You got it. I don't know who's got it. I don't know who's got an ad. If you did get an ad, say yes. Well, you might not even be back yet. If you didn't get an ad, say no. If you did get an ad, I hope you're back by now. Say yes. I want to know who did and who did not get it, because YouTube did say it was a good time to put that in there. Sticker Time Summer sounds like a new song. Sticker Time Summer sounds amazing when you put it like that, Pika. Sticker Time Summer. I don't even know if that's what I said, but when you put it like that, Sticker Time Summer does sound like a great new hit. Toured Germany a few years back with Scoville, full concert on YouTube. Check it out when you can. Very nice, Michael. That actually sounds incredible. Mods can't delete without punishing Michael. Oh, really? Let me see. Let me see if I can. I don't even know where it is now. Got to be lower than that. Huh. Oh, Michael, I think you might have retracted it, man. I think you might have retracted it. Okay. If you retracted it, awesome. I don't have to worry about deleting it or anything. All right, cool. I did go back up and just saw that. I wanted to make sure, man, just because I don't want anything, sitting out there on the live stream. Then if the replay's out there, people got to worry about it in the replay and stuff like that. So, good deal. By all means, though, if you want to email it to me, if you want to send it to me in a DM on Twitter, do that. Hoyt is the honorary cannabis age since he's helping us all make money, so I guess I'll settle if he gets I gotta get a contact one now, huh? I gotta become a contact cannabis ape. Okay. It's gone, Clay. Good deal, JB. Thanks for letting me know. Hey, Clay, are we on the moon yet? We got a long way to go before we hit the moon, man. But we are on the moon mission. So that's the best way to go. We are on the moon mission. See how long it takes, Clay, to spot that mic. Pringleton, it took like 30 seconds, man. Just 30. I've got premium too. Everybody's got premium, man. Nobody's getting ads. What the heck, dude? You guys are... I could hit you right now. Literally nobody's getting ads. Not scared. All right, good deal. No, I get it, man. I get it. I don't want anybody to be like, I shouldn't have done that. Yeah. You threatened ads and we don't get them. Click capping with these ads. No hat, dog. No hat. I put an ad on there. I did. I put an ad. You guys should have seen it. It was an ad for everybody. And you still didn't get over 50 likes, man. What are you doing? You want another ad, don't you? Riptide Redemption, my goodness, man. Haven't seen you in a while. Afternoon all, happy Friday. Hope everyone made his money this week. Riptide Redemption, what's going on? Glad to have you in here. Haven't seen you in a while, so it's always good to see old friends in here. Where y'all at? Post your flags. U.S. I'm into... Oh, man, this just says U.S. I'm interested. I don't even get to see the flags because it literally just says U.S. Vecna, good choice. I don't even see what he said, man. What did Vecna say? No premium for me. I spend money on important stuff. There you go, Tim. JJ, thank you for the super chat. JJ says, can't stay, but Clay, bro. Keep up the good work and remember what time it is. Ooh, it's time to get hard. Like a diamond. JJ, man, thank you very much. Have a great weekend as well. And look, dude, if you can't stay, thank you very much for swinging by. It is time to start your weekend, so I absolutely hope you enjoy it. JJ, don't take off, man. Don't take off. We got a licking stick. Man. JJ, this one's for you. Compliments of Moji. Moji, I'm looking at you. I'm thinking about AMC Trapper and JJ right now. You take the banana, tilt the head back a little bit, you lick it, and you stick it. Notice eye contact that entire time. Thank you very much, Moji, for the banana super chat. Really appreciate that. I know you guys are ready to start your weekends right after that one. Why's your leg so low? Every time I search YouTube for crypto, you're close to the top. What the heck, man? Michael, the people don't like it. The people don't like to click that like button. They just like to come in here and hang out. Come on with the ads. We still watching. You know ads here. Oh, Hemi Life's like, bring it on, man. Bring it on. Moji's like, since Trapper's here, we might as well make his weekend a little bit better. Vecna, you know what it is? Oh, it just goes all the way down. Push the like button, guys. Listen to Jason, man. Jason is not a name I see often, but he's promoting the like button. Very good, Jason. Thank you. This is an odd commercial. JB's Hangout. This is an odd commercial, man. It's how to eat a banana properly, my friend. Properly. Hi, Clay. What do you think of Bitcoin Cash? In the top 10 highest volume 24 hours. Interesting. So Bitcoin Cash, I believe, is already down below the lows that it experienced like back in 2020. Let's look at Bitcoin Cash on CoinMarketCap as opposed to Webull. It'll go back further. So Bitcoin Cash has been around for a very long time, guys. Bitcoin Cash has been around since, looks like 2017. And it's not just necessarily a new coin or anything, but it does look like its previous glory was reached in 2017 when it ran up to roughly $4,000, $3,900. It did have a nice 2021 here. We're running up to about $1,000, but we are currently sitting at roughly $2, $106 per coin, and you can see that that is much higher than any of these previous lows, unless you go to the downfall of 2018 right here. So whether or not you're really interested in Bitcoin Cash as a project should determine whether or not you're interested in holding it. It has been around for quite some time. It has proven itself, but it is right here at busting all-time lows. So I would be slightly skeptical of whether or not it holds up through this bear market. But it is like an OG. It's been around for a very long time. Shiba, it wasn't Clay. Something wasn't me. Yeah, listen, I don't know what the me was, but guys, it takes me a long time. I don't block anybody unless they're being really weird. But yeah, it wasn't me. Tim, man, thank you very much for the peach. I wish Lauren was in here for this. Gosh, that peach is hairy. Tim, man, thank you very much for the peach. Really appreciate that. It looks a little hairier than I thought it would be, so I may have to shave here pretty soon. When you get a little close up like that, you really understand how long the hair is. Tim, thank you for the fuzzy peach, my friend. Posting this on my Facebook page. Can tell everyone to hit the like button. Michael, man, appreciate you. Thank you very much. What I do, Shiba Daddy, no idea. I looked at Vecna the wrong way, I guess. Oh, man, don't look at him the wrong way. Don't look at Vecna at all. No eye contact. No eye contact. You'll turn to stone. Let the suffering begin. No, nobody suffer, please. Jason Snare. I love it, man. Jason becoming a little more. I like it. Jason becoming more active in the chat. This is where it all starts, guys. This is where it all starts. I said that to the old lady last night. Tim, I was going to go on with that, but I'll just leave it at what you said, man. I'll just leave it at what you said. I feel like I can't add anything to that, man. I feel like I can't add anything to that, so I'm going to let you roll with it. Wayne! Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Wayne, one more time, man. You guys ready for it? Thank you. Wayne, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate you, man. Oh, my gosh. I do like that. That one's a very simple one. Straight to the point. A very nice thank you. Wayne, you're incredible, dude. Really appreciate you, man. D-O-H? What are we saying here? I don't even know. Finally able to catch Q&A live for the first time. Thoughts on Jupiter? Are we talking about the planet? It's big. Really big. That's what she... No. It's really big, man. Nighthawk. I think we're talking about the planet. So it's big? If we're talking about something else, man, let me know if we're talking about something else. But yes, I don't know if Jason's, if this is your first time in here, man, but I do appreciate you being active. I love that. Nighthawk, welcome. First time catching a live stream. Really appreciate you jumping in, man. Very good. Night, everyone. Have a great weekend. JB, you as well, man. Enjoy your weekend. Thank you for hanging out with us and having a good time in here. Really appreciate you, JB. And JB, I saw your message on Twitter. I may hit you up a little bit more if I get some time over the weekend. I do want to look at getting that Discord going. Clay talking about shaving the peach while looking at some coconut shit. Never called someone a coconut chin before. I don't have no coconut chin, man. Come on now, what the heck? Slap that thumbs up, man. Like, what? Is it too soon? I don't know. Probably not. Yeah, slap that thumbs up, man. Do it. Riptide Redemption, man. Thank you for the super chat. Mods rule, Clay. Love the channel. As always, Riptide Redemption, thank you very much, man. I think we're going to have a good weekend. We're going to have a good weekend. It's going to be a good weekend, guys. We seem to be having a lot of fun already, so I think it's going to lead into a very good weekend. Appreciate your knowledge. Thank you for everything. Oh, you know what, Wayne? Appreciate you for being in here, man. Here's the thing. Like, if I do have knowledge on something, I'm not going to know how to share it with you guys unless you tell me what you want to know, right? Unless you tell me what you want to see or something like that, or talk about what you want to discuss. I'm not going to know what we're going to talk about there. So yes, man, ask the questions. If I don't know, I'll tell you I don't know. If I do know, or if I have an opinion on it, I will let you know. Can't add anything to that. No, I cannot, Kalani. No, I cannot. I can give you an ad. Yeah, I can give you an ad. What are you about to say, Clay? Switch. Nope. Samanino. Nope. Pika Power. Thank you very much for the super chat, Pika. But I'm just so mad. I'm gonna rage quit. I'm good, Pika. I'm gonna rage quit. Pika, I don't know what you're doing. I'm gonna rage quit. Last time, guys, rage quit with me. Come on, Pika. I don't know what. Pika, thank you very much. Oh my God. All right, hold on. You can't lean over like that and swing like that without getting ready to pass out. Pika, thank you very much for the rage quit. Really appreciate that, superstar. I don't think I've ever had that one before. That one's a little dangerous. I gotta be nicer to the chair right there. Pika, thank you. Just rage quit my job. Boom! That's what I'm talking about, JB. Joining the bro trailer park right there. Rage quitting the job. I like it on a 4:30 on a Friday morning or Friday afternoon. Might as well make your afternoon about a half hour longer, dude. There you go. Ethereum blowing up. Ethereum is moving up a little bit today. 12,068 or 1,268 right now. Up 6% on the day. Bros, I'm out having an awesome weekend. J-Bones, you as well, man. Enjoy your weekend, and thank you for being in here. Shibarium will be cheaper than Shib price. No. So Shibarium is not going to be a coin. Shibarium is a layer 2 blockchain. You will be able to buy Shiba Inu coin on Shibarium. Think about it like Ethereum. Ethereum is a blockchain where you can see the transactions for Shiba Inu coin. Shibarium will be the same thing, except it's not just Shiba Inu coin that you can trade there. You're going to be able to trade a lot of tokens if they're mapped out for it. What do you know about commodities? I know a lot about currency, okay, but I do not necessarily know a ton about electricity, corn, oil. I mean, I know a little bit about oil, but if you're talking like wheat and cattle and corn and commodities like that, not too much. Energy, a little more than actual commodities, but currency, I do have experience with currency, so we can talk about that all day long. Clay's insane. Samanino, she sent the rage quit, man. Clay, dumb question. If all centralized exchanges go bankrupt, how do you cash your crypto? That's actually not a dumb question at all, 222. The short answer is you don't, okay? That's the short answer. You don't. Let's travel back to a time, maybe back to 2010, 2011, and we'll start there as an example. 2010, 2011, I don't even know exactly what year that guy bought those 2 pizzas from Papa John's for 10,000 Bitcoin. Okay, Pika, that was it did feel funny though. It did feel good. So thank you for sending that one. But no, it's not a dumb question, man. It's a real question. If you travel back then, there were no centralized Bitcoin exchanges or centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. What you had to do was you had to find a buyer. Now, back then, nobody believed in Bitcoin. It never had a value. And that's why you found people trying to sell 50,000 of them on eBay for $10, and nobody wanted to buy them. That's why you had some guy that traded 10,000 Bitcoin for 2 Papa John's pizzas. That's because some guy that owned a Papa John's was like, yeah, sure, man, I'll take it. Maybe it'll turn into something. It's literally 2 pizzas. Those are going to cost me probably $3 to $5 a piece, and I'll take a chance on it. So you had to find your own buyer. If there's no centralized exchange, you are not going to be able to just cash out your crypto. You're either going to have to find somebody that wants to buy it, or you're going to have to use it to barter. Now, that's the original intention for Bitcoin, is using it to barter. I want a new computer, I will give you a Bitcoin. I want a new house. I'll give you 500 Bitcoin. You know, you're going to have to find people who find a worth in it. But if you just want to cash it out, you can't do it without these centralized exchanges unless you find a buyer willing to give you that money for it. It's not a dumb question at all, man. Just picture jumping back in time to before centralized exchanges. Where we at? It's Calibro question. I have VGX on Coinbase. I invested way before the craziness. Should I just cut my losses and cash out? So dark matter, here's my thoughts on that, okay? I have some VGX stuck on Voyager, okay? I had shaved my positions, and on Voyager, I had VGX and USDC. I believe that it may go up a little bit during these bankruptcy proceedings. But I also believe that when Voyager opens back up, it is, and especially if they pay people out in VGX, if they give us 10% of our crypto back and they give us the other 90% in VGX and they massively dilute VGX, then if they massively dilute VGX, giving it out to us, I think you're going to see a pretty steep decline. If they don't have to massively dilute it, but they still do give it to everybody as a large portion to make us whole, I think you're going to see a lot of people sell it off that don't want to hold it. And if that happens, I see both resulting in massive declines once we get there. So there is a chance that, yeah, dude, I'm gonna try and sell my VGX. If they ever open it back up to us, I will most likely be selling off of it. And then, look, I don't want to support VGX if they don't want to support us. If they make us 100% whole by giving us the remainder of the cryptocurrency in VGX, I'm not completely done with them. But I do think that they would have to show that integrity there in trying to make their customers whole. But regardless of whether or not I continue in the future, I will not continue to hold on their platform. I don't want to hold crypto on any centralized platform, knowing that they can take it from me any day that they want. But as far as like trading it, here's what I see happening. I see it selling off massively, and I see Voyager being completely restructured, right? And potentially, worst case scenario, all 3 million of their current customers just decide to up and leave and say, forget you. That leaves the rest of the world. That leaves another 7 billion people who did not get screwed over by Voyager, who would in the future be willing to use them. They never got burnt, so they will touch the stove. At that point, you could see VGX rally again and rally off of those lows as they grow into the future, knowing that they don't have any debt at that point. They're completely restructured, their bankruptcy paid off, and they're able to come out with a clean slate. We were the clean slate, right? We take the downfall in that case. The rest of the world is theirs for the picking if it comes down to it. So I think it does have potential in the future. It's just it's going to have a rocky present. Including much of the mechanics of the split. If someone buys a share on day before dividend cutoff and they FTD, could they possibly not receive the dividend? So Pringleton, let's see here. I'm going to say no, okay? I'm going to say no because they will still have record of that transaction. You need to be a shareholder on record, and I do not know all of the dates that are going on with GameStop, which is what I assume you're talking about, as far as the dividend X date, the dividend record date, and so on. If you are a shareholder on that date, on the record date, you will receive that dividend. Even if you sell it before the dividend distribution date, you will receive that dividend. You just have to be a shareholder on record. Now, like you're saying, let's say you buy it that day, but the transaction doesn't settle. You are still the shareholder on record. It's just that transaction or that delivery failed. You are still the guy that owns that share. So by the rules out there, it is, if you buy it on that day, you're good. It's not if you settle on that day, you're good. It's if you buy it on that day. I don't know if they're going to try anything fishy. I don't know if, they're going to run into problems and things like that. But you just have to purchase it on that day. I've never seen anything where it has to settle on that day. That's why they make that day. So hopefully that helps, Pringleton. Clearbro, what do you think about Public? I'm in the green on 80% of my positions there, but no wallet way to transfer assets off the platform. A little bit nervous. Man, my thoughts on Public are very similar to my thoughts on Webull and Robinhood and so on. I do believe that the stock brokers are a little bit more well-equipped to handle these downturns and so on. I don't think that they're out there making their money by lending that crypto out. And in all honesty, man, I'm not even sure that they are like sitting on that crypto, and that's why they don't allow you to transfer it off platform. I think you're trading derivatives on, maybe not Robinhood with all of the wallets and stuff, and maybe not Webull with the coins that they have wallets for right now. But if you're out there and you're paying your spread to buy and sell your cryptocurrency and you can't transfer it off the platform, I think it's more of a derivative, man, saying that you're playing the price action in Bitcoin, you're playing the price action in Shiba Inu coin, and so on. So I am less concerned about the stockbrokers that are allowing you to do it, because I don't think that they're participating in the same lending that these centralized cryptocurrency exchanges were doing. I think that they make their money by allowing these market makers to come in and provide you with these spreads the same way they make money with stocks. I could be wrong about that, but if that's true, that's my train of thought on it, and if that's true, I would imagine they have less risk than the cryptocurrency exchanges. If you want to think shit, what? Talking to you, what? No, all the what? Man, Vecna, I don't even know what's going on there. Is that like a poem that you're writing? I like it, man. It's a very good poem. They're cutting employees and downsizing because they grow too fast and they need to replant. Who are we talking about? Sorry, Frank, I didn't see who we were talking about. That's not bad. That's not too bad. You're practically there. LAX is a nice airport. I know I'm missing stuff in there. I'm coming. Hurt there was some Pika power making California better again. Always, man. Thanks, Clay. Pretty well what I figured. I wouldn't advise leaving it late. Anyway, yeah, dude. No joke, Pringleton. And I don't know the dates. I thought it was like the 18th or something, but I don't know the dates on it. But as long as you purchase it on the record date, or you're holding it on the record date, you are good to go. You can sell it as long as you're the shareholder on record before the distribution date. So I've never seen it's got to settle by the record date or all of that stuff. So I think you would be good to go. That's pretty cool. I travel a lot. Might be a cool idea. Heck yeah. Claybro, are we going to dump Bitcoin end of this month? Some say yes, some say no. 100 basis points. Who to believe? Which amount though? Or is this? So PS5. The short-term catalysts, both up and downside for Bitcoin, are going to be taking place, yes, in the next 2 to 4 weeks. In 2 weeks, we've got the interest rate decision, and I do believe it's going to be a negative for Bitcoin. I believe when people see that interest rates are rising either 75 basis points or 100 basis points, they're going to sell off of their cryptocurrency, and Bitcoin will get hit. Following that, we are going to have 137,000 Bitcoin released by Mt. Gox going into the portfolios of people who have not seen that Bitcoin in the last 8 years. I would imagine that a good portion of them sell off as well. So I do believe we have some decent sell-offs coming along in the next 2 to 4 weeks here, and it could lead to Bitcoin moving lower in price. That was my queen. Peaks and your worst nightmares. Something. Yeah, Kelly. Yeah. Kelly, I've never been there. Something. Vecna, yeah. 100. 18th, they take names for record date, and then closes the 21st, distributed for the 22nd open. Gotcha. Yeah, so Pringleton, as far as I know then, as long as you were to buy on Monday, you're going to see the dividend. Now, if you buy on Monday, okay, there is a chance that you see it drop off drastically after Monday, before the distribution hits. It doesn't necessarily have to happen on the distribution date, but expect that share price. Expect the price of GameStop to go from 140 to $35 a share, right? Because we're going to be getting another 4 shares or another 3 shares as the dividend. So, Bitcoin, GameStop is going to end up trading at that $35 range, and it might get hit right after the distribution date, or right after the record date. We can drink frozen drink, because if you think about it, if you buy it on the record date and it's trading the next day and it doesn't get hit on the record date, you could buy it. You're still going to get those 3 shares of GameStop, and then you could sell it for the same price. You're going to end up making 3 shares of GameStop for every share of GameStop that you had. So we might expect a pretty big drop right after the close on the record date. Got 99 problems, and Bitcoin ain't one. Yeah, Shredder, yeah. Pika, I'll take it a Bora Bora when Shiba hits up a 1/10 of a cent. Let's go. John Jay, can I come too? Can I come too, man? Well, texting Chris. Burn, man. That was a pretty good one. Coinbase CEO come out today and said they are downsizing. Okay, gotcha. I was wondering who the platform was, Frank. I didn't know which platform said it. Downsizing to me is fine. Okay. Obviously they're bringing in less revenue, and therefore they need to lean down a little bit. The last thing, I would rather see Voyager downsize and cut every single employee and the CEO before they take their customers' money. Downsizing is completely fine with me. Like, the business has to survive, yes, but the customer's money, man, it's more important than the business, like, screwing their customers over. So downsizing's fine with me. It does show that they are getting hit pretty hard, though, right now. Yep, expecting to get attacked, but now they're hopefully Gamma to come. Oh, that would be nice, too. Yeah, ending today at $141. Hopefully they had some options expire in the money at that $140, $141 range there. That would be very nice. Muji, there's no limits to my peaks. She's a freaking, whoa, and my queen. Boom, man, let's get it, Coinbase. Letting 20% go. Yeah, Coinbase, I believe, announced 20% were leaving, roughly 1,000 people, maybe 1,100 people. Crypto.com getting hit. So there's a lot of people, man, that are looking to downsize, and I mean it's expected. So is Coinbase letting more people go than what they've announced in the past? Or is this like part of the previous announcement that they had? Are they letting another 20% go? That's what he said. Downsize to get their mind back to... Yeah, Frank, listen. If that's the plan they're going with, man, I can absolutely respect that plan and respect the platform for doing that, right? I get it. It's people's jobs, and I don't want to see anybody losing their jobs. But like, that is the business model. You can hire people, and as long as you've got the revenue to pay those people, great. But that's where you drive revenue, is people buying and selling crypto. They're making revenue off every transaction that takes place. They can't be lending our money out and then lose all their customers. They gotta stay lean if that's the thing they're looking for. But I respect the CEO if he's making that decision. It's tough to see either way, man. How about Sexish shutting miners down? Yeah, Gorilla. I've seen that. That is, now I don't know if Texas is shutting them down or if the miners are shutting down because of it. But yeah, dude, it's very strange to me that our power grids are failing right now and not able to handle the capacity of everything we need, because they're charging people much more for their electricity. It's peaking because supply is low and demand is high. The prices of electricity are rising, but it would be strange to me if they stopped Bitcoin miners from mining or crypto miners from mining. They still pay for that electricity. Like, the electric company is still making money off of that, and actually making much more money now because prices are jacked high. Doesn't the SEC regulate crypto assets? So Shredder, no. The SEC, that's the thing. The SEC wants to dip their hand in. That's why the SEC is, I guess, suing Ripple, because they believe XRP is an ICO and just like an IPO. And Ripple raised money through the ICO to expand their business, just the same way through an IPO you would raise money to expand your business. They are trying to say that some cryptocurrencies are not cryptocurrencies, but they are securities, and therefore they should be regulated by the SEC. But as of right now, that settlement or that suit is going on. But no, the SEC does not have jurisdiction over the cryptocurrency market. I could start a cryptocurrency right now and kind of do whatever I wanted with it. I don't have to pay the SEC to start it. I don't have to follow their guidelines or anything like that. And a word on Dogecoin on Mars. Good or bad? No, I actually don't know too much about Dogecoin on Mars. A lot of people do buy that, and it does have a pretty high market cap for being another meme coin. But as far as like what they got going on, man, I honestly don't know. Coinbase compare less about their peeps, though. It's all about survival of the fittest. And dude, with 90 million customers, I'm sure Coinbase is okay with losing some of their customers. But yeah, dude, you got to make sure you survive. You got to make sure you survive. If they don't, think about it. If Coinbase failed, if 90 million people lost their crypto and lost faith in these centralized exchanges, I don't think the crypto would do very well at all after that. I think crypto would take a long time to rebound, and I think the prices would massively decline. Let's see. They went green. Texas asked if they won't mind during peak hours. Gotcha. During peak hours. Very hard to just shut them off and turn it back on, though, man, because when you're mining 24/7, you have your like profit targets in mind. But if you turn it off and then on and then off and then on, it makes it tough. I clicked the like. Shiba Daddy, thank you for clicking that like button. Really appreciate you. Clearbro, thanks for the info. Can't wait for your upload. Shiba, love it. See you live on Monday. All right, with all the chat. PS5, thank you very much. Enjoy your weekend, man. If you're taking off, really appreciate you being in here. What do you think of Bitgert's outlook? So, Mr. Lambo's crypto talk. I don't know too much about Bitgert. I actually have not looked at Bitgert in a long time. Let's take a quick look at Bitgert's chart here. I don't know what they do. Obviously, they got something going on because mainstream media was loving these guys back in November. But I don't know enough about what they do. Their chart looks basically identical to everything else. Had done very well at the end of 2021 here. Rolled higher and has actually continued to do very well. So that's interesting that they are much higher than where they were before. I don't even know how many zeros that is. 8 zeros to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So what, man? We 100x'd our money from where we're at right here just now. Is a 100x increase from the end of September. And if you go all the way up to here, man, you're sitting on 5 zeros. So it looks like 1,000x'd from the end of September, October, all the way into February, March of 2022 there. So it looks very nice. $170 million market cap, not bad at all. But as far as what they do, I don't know. Their graph does look phenomenal, though, right now. You ever like shit? Whoa. And then walk down the stairs, start clapping, asking for a friend, and walk down the stairs and start clapping? No, man, I don't ever walk down the stairs clapping. It's hard enough to walk down the stairs to begin with. Y'all, me peeps, for their clicking that. No, nobody. Everybody click the like button. Matic, Wink, Shib, BTTC, Internet Computer, Bitcoin, Spell, What's the last one? Gala? I'm always in my birthday suit. Well, there you go, Shredder. Stay warm, my friend. Stay warm. Man, I'm so mad. I had 140,000 Polygon at one point and sold early. It would have tripled my initial investment if I held on till now. Man, Sanosuke, 1991. What is Polygon doing right now? I have not looked at a Polygon chart in quite some time. Let's see where we're at here. Sitting at 70 cents right now on a weekly. Yes, dude, if you would have got in at 30 cents right there, would have tripled, would have a little over doubled your investment. Weeble doesn't go that far back, so I don't know what it was at before that, but man, has been rolling pretty nice over the last couple of weeks here. If you're looking at a daily chart, has been doing very well, going from 31 cents up to 70 cents. So that would have been pretty sweet. Polygon has been doing very well over the last couple of weeks. Nope, not the chart I wanted. This is the chart that I wanted right here. 53, they clap on my knees. Clap on my knees, my God. Yo, what up, Clay? Pete, what's going on, man? How you doing? I had it at 31 something. Man, that is nice, dude. If you had it at 31, had it at that recent low right there, you could have rode it all the way back up to 75. Where did you sell it at, though? I mean, everybody can kick themselves for not taking their profit or whatever, but where'd you sell it at? Let's start. Zombie, Claybroshi, Inu, Doge Puppy, Baby Coin. Tim, people would buy that just because it's got so many different names in it. They would buy it because it's got so many different names, dude. I had someone shoot the last time we were here. Ah, man, but it's all right, though, right? Is it safe to say bull run started? Mr. Lambo's Crypt Talk, not for me, okay? And let me show you why. I still think that Bitcoin's stuck in this channel. Okay, I still think Bitcoin is stuck in this channel between 19,000 and like 21.5 or 22,000. So it came down here, tapped to 17.5, jumped back up, and has been trending in this channel ever since. I would imagine it's going to run into resistance again if it reaches this 21.5, 22,000 level, and expect a pullback off of that. Does it continue to bounce? I don't know. But in order for a bull run to happen, I think we need the fundamentals that are driving it lower in the first place to reverse and become catalysts to the upside. Inflation is still bad. Interest rates, still bad. Russia, still bad. China, still bad. Centralized exchanges now going bankrupt. That's getting even worse. So there's a lot of problems plaguing the crypto market right now that I don't necessarily think this is the start of a bull run. If we break out of here and then break out of here, I'm going to be a lot more optimistic, okay? And yes, it would be about a 15% gain that we would need to see before I get too optimistic. But going from 20,000 to 24,000 or 23,000 is acceptable. That I would wait to see that sort of confirmation. But I think it's going to bounce off and continue channeling. I'm off. It's my bot today. It's your bot today? What's your bot today? You're just a bot in the chat? I like it, Paul. Have a good weekend. Pika, you too. Have a good weekend. Are you leaving Pika? Where are we at? I had to clap some peaches tonight. Ah, dude, very well, man. Very well. Make sure you wash them first. Blues, A, see you next. Oh, Blue, A, see you next Tuesday. There you go, man. See you next Tuesday as well, man. Robinhood just listed Uniswap. Yes, it did. I believe it was yesterday. No bro run yet. We still have another clearance sale to go through. Next level. I agree with you, man. I'm trying shorts now. Shorts on YouTube? Like, you're trying YouTube shorts? Do it, man. I sold at 12. Dude, nothing wrong with selling at 12, though. You sold higher than we're currently at, though, right? Isn't this an inverse head and shoulders on Ethereum and Bitcoin that could lead to a huge run-up if Ethereum breaks 1278? What chart are we looking at here? Are you looking at a daily? Oh, man. I don't know. Maybe. But look, so Ethereum is right at that breakout level. It's still in the channel. Yes. We didn't have a daily channel on Ethereum here. Ethereum is still in this channel. Yes. If it breaks out, it is going to be a nice technical breakout for Ethereum. However, Bitcoin, okay, they can become slightly detached on their levels. Bitcoin could still run up a little bit. Ethereum could run up a little higher. And if Bitcoin starts to come back and curl back down, I believe Ethereum is going to be influenced by Bitcoin more than Bitcoin is going to be influenced by Ethereum. So I still think that it's in that channel, yes. And I still think that the daily resistance might be too much. But that's because I still have a negative outlook on all of the fundamentals controlling the prices of crypto right now. All right. No one got that joke. I missed it. Do max overall? Yes. Daily. Something sold. Coming in hot. I give it. I'll take it for $1 million. It's that time for me, Claybro fam. The cattle need tending to, and it's almost, it's time to muck the barn, whatever that means. Y'all, Claybro fam, be good, safe, and happy. Guys, thanks for looking. Absolutely, David. Have a great weekend. Guys, it is 5 o'clock. Yes, man. Do I think the Coinbase is going to sink? I don't know. I think they're trying their best to stay afloat. It's going to be determined by the price of cryptocurrency, whether or not they're able to survive it or not. But guys, it is 5 o'clock. We're gonna get off for now. Do some shout outs. We'll be back with videos at 7 p.m., videos with 8 p.m. I do want to say thank you to everybody for being in here, having a wonderful afternoon. Appreciate all of you guys. Thank you for the super chats, all that good stuff. And we'll do these shout outs, and then we'll be back this evening with some videos, man. Tim, shout out to you. Thank you very much. Enjoy your weekend. David, Moji, Heaven Mag, Pete, Vecna, Zoran, Unique Music, Shiba Daddy, Shredda, Dark Matter 521, Paul Wright, Pika Power. Have a great weekend as well. AMC Trevor says, peace out to the Diamond Handed Apes. Lucky's Thoughts, see you later. Heaven Mag, see ya. Master, Dark Matter, Gorilla Invictus, have a good weekend as well. Paul Wright, see you later, man. Kalani, Bob, Johnstontown, David Miguel, see ya. PS5, enjoy your weekend. Smurfy, good time. See you later. Ali, Shiba Daddy, Pete, Lucky's Thoughts said, man, we can't start the weekend without a little licking stick. Take it, AMC Trapper. I'm looking at you, man. I'm thinking of you, Lucky, but I'm looking at Trap. You take it, you lick it, and you stick it. Lucky's Thoughts. Eye contact, very important on that. Thank you very much for this super chat, man. Really appreciate you. Next level, Shredda, Pringleton, Heaven Mag, see you later. Pika, closed her eyes. Poor Pika, you gotta open your eyes next time. Come on now. Paul says, let's get started, or let's get finished. Mr. Hat, see you later. Next level, see ya. Justin Sullivan, Adarian, see you later. Johnstontown, Justin, see you later. All of you guys, looks like you're getting deleted. It's time to go. So, if you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.